Hello, my crafty friends. This is Lori, Girl on the Ridge. I have a a video of my design team project for Ephemoire and a tutorial on how to do these bags. Honestly, I did a tutorial a little while ago with these bags, and I had a laugh. It was so bad, I would have gave myself a thumbs down. It was like I was wrestling a fish. I was just flopping all over. So I'm going to try my best on showing you how to do these bags. And I strongly advise that you go over to Tracy Fox YouTube channel. And she did one, I think, with music paper. But I'll try. So what I did this month with Ephemoire is I used Sweet Dreams Ephemoire Set 1. And another, I forgot what this was called. I think it was still in the Sweet Dreams. And I only used 3 sheets. And this is what I came up with. See, the big one, I did the little saying, and then I stickled the candy, and I sprinkled a little Tim Holtz, what is this, distressed glitter, spun sugar, and I did do a lot of fussy cutting out. And then the tag, I just made a tag out of the candy cane, and I just did a lot of fussy cutting out of the and sewn the peppermint candies on there for a topper. Now these I would use as a gift, put a gift card in, or use it as a card and attach it to a gift. And then this one I had, this little girl was just naughty as a new knife. She just had the look that she was into something. And again, I just inked up with, what did I ink up with this time? It's called, I guess I don't have a name, just gold. Colorworks. It was at Tuesday morning. And again, I just did the stickling and or glossy accent with a little glitter and seam binding and sari silk underneath that. That was the second one. And then the third one, Dear Santa, I Can Explain. She looks like she's hiding something. They're just so cute. And again, the tag. And oh, that was the other sheet of paper from the Sweet Ephemera. It was all chocolate recipes. And then I just topped it with the candy. So if you're even a beginner and you're intimidated by some of the big kits, just try a couple sheets. I'll list everything below. Tracy Ephemoire. She has tons of stuff to choose from. So those were the 3 as my design team kit. And then, I don't think I showed a picture of these. But this was another one. She had the Dear Santa, I Promise to Do better next year. Love, Bobby. And that was just another tag. And this one I waxed. I'll make sure I'm in film here. I waxed this one. And this was a music sheet paper. This was gold and cream. And then I did another Dear Santa, I Can Explain. And I just put a bag there. And put a little tag there with a candy topper. And another one there. And then the last one I did, this was one of Ephemera. There's the website. This was her Christmas kit, and I can't remember the name of it. But I cut that out. And I just put it on another bag that I made. And just seam binding, and this is some sari silk and chiffon mixed together. I just got that. So that is my bag. So now we will try to make one without me getting you guys dizzy, because it was really bad. Even my poor husband looked at it. What the hell are you doing? I couldn't post it. So I just cut any size piece of paper you want for a size bag. And let's see, just glue it on the side. Like I said, Tracy Fox has it. That's the one that I followed. I know other people have done them, but this is the one I followed. Just glue it. And just, you just have to try it. The sizes. And I'll probably cut this down because this is kind of tall. Try to get it as straight as you can. That's where the measuring probably would help, but I don't measure. Sometimes I will. So here I go again, start flapping it. Okay. And then, all right, say that's where I want the bag. Oops. Crease it. You definitely have to have a bone folder or something to crease it. We're going to cut this because I know right now it's going to be too big. All right, for the important part is the gussets. You take, say maybe a ½ inch. And you flip it back over. This, oh, I'm trying to go slow, guys. And flip it. And then the hard part is just folding this in. Put your little finger in here. Fold part. And you just gotta fold it over. This is again, here I go flipping again. That's why I don't do a lot of tutorials. There we go. And the foil paper may not be the ideal paper to start with, but I like it. And then you're folding it in the crease that you made. And there's your bag. And then you take the bottom, fold it up. However, however you want it. You crease it. And then you cut the front. Just on the ends. Lift up. And then cut the bulk off. I am so excited today. I was happy to get one of Jen Miller's little bunny books. Jen, if you're watching, oh, thank you so much. I've seen a bunny book and I thought that would be perfect for my granddaughter. So as you know, she's really trying hard to get her to talk. And I made her the book, Find the Baby, and this Jen's book, Find the Bunny. We're hoping, we can get her to say at least bunny. Bunny. So I was so excited to get that. And then you just glue it down. And there's your bag. And then what I did with these is I just, cut a piece out like this. We'll just, these really do make cute gift bags. And we'll do the round one. So like I said, if you want to start out with something little, hop over to Ephemoire and try a page or two. She sells a lot of things singly. And you could probably make a lot of your own little bags. Grab a roll of wrapping paper. And like I said, you can make all different sizes. And I would just ink it up, and you can do all different ways. But I like the candy, and there's one that I stickled. It's fun when you're sitting doing TV. So those are my little bags. Where did I put the rest of them? Oh wow. Oh, here they are. So give your hand at that. Again, go try, if you couldn't get it from that, go check out Tracy Fox. She did a really good one. And that's it. You guys have a nice holiday. I'm not sure if I'll be back yet. If not, I'll see you soon. Bye.